Hello again on YouTube, I'm back again with another unboxing, and this is a Western Digital 1TB hard drive which I just got off Amazon. So I'm just going to show you what I got in box. I'll need to find my scissors where I put them. So I'll just open this, see if it comes off by itself. Got all these damn stickers on, they're annoying to get open. If you can hear it, it's hammering it down with rain. I don't need to take everything out because you know where everything is. So basically, you've got your power cable, USB instructions, and hard drive. So I don't need to show you inside because you've seen it on box. So I'm going to be backing up my PS3 with this soon. So thanks for watching. Remember to comment, thumbs up, and subscription is very appreciated.